Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today I'm just drinking my 0-cent iced water that I got for free at Starbucks. And today, guys, what we're going to be talking about today is my EIDL SBA loan. It's the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. I'm an Uber and Lyft driver. And today I'm going to be talking about why I'm not accepting my loan. I basically got offered the ability to request a $44,000, up to $44,000 loan from the SBA. It's a business loan, so I'm gonna get into that. So yeah, I mean, today, what is it today? It's the middle of June, and I requested that loan beginning of March, potentially April, or mid-March, April, when the U.S. stimulus bill was passed, and I did actually get accepted into the program. So I did apply for a PPP loan. I did actually get that loan of $5,000. I already did accept that loan. That's in my account right now, which I am in the process of applying for forgiveness for that loan, so I don't have to pay it back. And then I also did not apply for PUA. I didn't apply for unemployment assistance, and but I did apply for the EIDL, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, which, if you guys don't know what that is, basically it was essentially a loan for businesses where the advance of that loan was forgivable. So it's basically a loan, an advance of the loan you didn't have to pay back. Originally it was like, they said, okay, well, I actually applied for a $10,000 advance of my loan, but I never got it. So what I did get was the actual loan. So I'm gonna show you basically why I don't need it, why I'm not accepting it. I'm gonna sync up my phone here and we can all follow along together. Here we go. This is what I just got. It says, Dear Dylan Hemrick, we're reaching out in regards to request for an EIDL advance. As part of application number, we are reaching out in regards to your request for an EIDL advance. We were unable to successfully verify and validate all your information in order to process your advance. We would like to invite you to update your advance request. Your EIDL application is still being processed. Separately, as a reminder, you do not need to be approved for a loan in order to receive the advance. It is very important to note. Maybe I actually can still apply for the advance. Can I actually still apply for the advance? I don't know. I'm gonna see that if I can apply for an advance, because I'm pretty sure that the advance is actually forgivable, but the full loan amount is not. So I'm going to have to check on that status. Anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna update you guys. This is the update. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go inside and look at my advance, and then I will update you guys if I can actually apply for the advance, because I do believe that the advance is forgivable, and that's the part of the loan that you don't have to pay back. So anyways, I'm gonna do that. Sorry, this just literally changed as I'm reading this email. But that's the update so far on my EIDL, and if I can actually apply for an advance up to 10,000 bucks and have that be completely forgivable, that would be amazing. So I'm gonna update you guys on that if I can. Stay tuned for part 2. So like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on part 2. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys. Bye.